Okay, so congratulations on buying your first COSORI. I've been through them, had one. This is number 2. Top features. Yes, it does everything that everybody always says. You know, air fry, healthy cook, yada yada yada. Everybody's read all that. She purrs. She's big. 25 quarts, 11 in 1. Of course, it does all the fun stuff. This is not a touch screen. That's your start and your menu knob. This here are your sub buttons, aka modes, turbo, fans, lights, Fahrenheit, Celsius, time. Of course, you're also supposed to keep it free on the sides and the back because she does purr. And I mean, this is like I think I had, I did. I had this one. I had an 11 in 1. But I had the French doors. Doesn't matter. Best thing about this, the one thing that I do need to tell you, is that it comes with an app. Yes. It is also Google controlled, not Alexa. I thought it was Alexa, but it's not. It's Google. Which is fine. I've got a Google. But the app is awesome. You can preheat, you can set everything up, you can make custom cook times. This is what nobody's telling you. You get the app, you get this, awesome. You still got to come over and press that for preheat. So yeah, you're in bed, bada bing, bada boom, you set everything up, press start, you still got to come over here and press start there. Not ultra convenient, but hey, at least you get an app. Now, your pans, you've got the baking pan down there, which I only use, air fryer basket, and 1 oven rack. And there you go. Do I recommend it? Yeah. It is huge, but if you've got low counters like I do, it ain't gonna fit under those counters. So keep it out, keep it away, and you'll be good to go. It does hum, okay? Let's just be clear on that. This baby purrs. All right.
Hi there. I just wanted to let you all know I just got done roasting some wonderful vegetables for some tomato soup for lunch today in my COSORI air fryer. I also have a pie shell baking in my ceramic pie dish. The rack withstands the weight of the pie dish really well. It comes with multiple settings. I use this thing more than my oven. Matter of fact, my poor oven, I haven't used it in about 3 months. I've also baked bread in it. It bakes evenly. It's a time saver. It cuts my baking time and cooking time in half. Easy cleanup on everything. I did put a little tin foil under my vegetables just to make it even easier for me for cleanup, honestly. But I tell you what, if you are debating about what air fryer you should get, you definitely need to get this one and have this in your life. Make your life easier, make some great meals.
This part, no matter what, you cannot clean it. And at this part also, I did email to COSORI to get a help, and I got an email answer says try to clean up with the baking soda or vinegar. Do you think baking soda or vinegar will take this grease off? When you cook something, everything goes up and sticks on it. It won't come off. Just to guys let you know, I like this, and I bought for my sister too, but it's a pain in the ass to cleaning, and probably soon I'm gonna throw away.
Here's the video of our COSORI oven, and it obviously doesn't hold shut because whatever was going there to hold it is off. So not really usable at this point.